Here's a pair of the Sony Ultwear headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone. This Android phone I'm using is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So go ahead and grab the headphones here, and you can see on one side, the left ear cup here, you have the power button here. You have the NC, noise cancellation, and you have the power button. The only button we're going to worry about is just the power button. So first thing is, let me make sure that these are turned off, okay? Oh, I see a light there, so it's on. Let me turn these off first. Press and hold that power button for about 4 seconds or until the lights turn off right there. Now it's off. Now, let's get it into pairing mode, okay? You'll know it's in pairing mode when this is blinking blue, 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 okay? So let's press and hold for about 4 seconds. Okay, there we go. And now, oh my goodness, I'm not getting blue, blue. I'm getting a bunch of single blues right there. The reason why I'm getting that, because I think I'm connected to my TV or my iPhone right now, okay? So let me put this in a pairing mode, okay? So let me, first, I gotta turn these back off, okay? They're on right now. Let me turn them off, press and hold for 4 seconds, the power button. Okay, now they're off. Now, because I was connected to a different device, now I gotta press and hold the power button, okay? So we're gonna press and hold and keep holding the power button until this light starts blinking blue, 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 okay? Power button here, ready, go. Hold it, keep holding, and wait for a blue, blue. Wait, wait, blue, 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 blue. There we go. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and grab our Android phone. Now, you may get this pop-up here. If you do, you can just go ahead and down here and tap on connect right away to connect, okay? However, if that doesn't show up, no problem. You just want to go directly to settings. Go to settings. Go to connections, and you want to go to Bluetooth. And then you want to go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then you want to go all the way down to the bottom under available devices and look down here. It's still in pairing mode, it's blinking blue, 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 blue. So under available devices, it should show up here, and you can see Ultwear right there. So let's tap on that right there. We should get a pairing request somewhere. There we go. Tap on pair. And now we should be connected, and we'll know we're connected when we're going to go back up here, and you can see the Ultwear connected for calls and audio, 100% battery remaining. Now, here's the thing. If you had issues where you couldn't connect or you had pairing problems or whatnot, you can always factory reset these, okay? If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description.